file, load from computer. Okay, we'll just open the most recent version. And okay. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. Okay. Let's see. The stream is up. Oh. Oops, I just left the stream. Okay, so okay, it's working. Hello. Not that anyone's watching, but I figured I should actually continue doing this. Because people have actually been watching some of my videos. So this is going to be me trying to find a way to do some stuff on this. So there was someone who commented on one of my videos on Scratch that I should try and see if I can make textures, and I have a few ideas for it. So yeah, let's see. Okay, for a second I thought it was buffering. So textures. There's an idea I had. Well, one thing is I'm gonna get rid of this. So now it looks the same. But don't worry, I'm also getting rid of the health bar for this. Now you can leave these in, but for the stuff I'm testing out, I don't really need these, and since I'm going to be saving it separately, I'll still have the old stuff. I'll also just get rid of that, and get rid of that, and get rid of this so that we can see the map, because that's probably going to be important. Okay. So now it's just the maze thing. Oh yeah, I forgot I made it into a little dot. So you can actually like go through walls. Not really sure why you can do that. Okay, anyways. I'll just fix this switch costume to arrow. At the bottom, I guess. Now the one problem is it's like, hey, you can go through here, but you kind of can't, but I don't really care. Okay, anyways. So what I need to do is make a new block. Render plus, and then I need to have a color label. And that's all I'm gonna have for now. C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8, C9, and C10. Woohoo! I might add more later. I need to duplicate this in. And woohoo! I broke the game. I broke Scratch. Take a second to come back. So that's annoying. Okay, it's working again. Turn this off, move this to this side, and put this here. So now it acts normal. Now the one thing is what I need to do is, so that first of all, and then and lead, what's it called? Oh yeah. So I'm gonna just get rid of this and then say set pen color to, I'm also gonna say -1.2 because I need that to be a tenth. And then, so 2, oh, accidentally added a comment, oops. 4, and 8, and then that. And then I'll just need to, that is very broken. So right now it's just this. It's pretty much the same, slightly darker looking. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drag C1, C2, C3, C4, so on. You should hopefully understand what's happening. I'm pretty much making it so that each one of these colors represents a number. I mean, each one of these represents like a height value, I guess you could say. So as you go down, they get larger so that you can make it be different colors. So the one thing is I'm gonna actually have to set these values, but I can be like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, not 76, 80, and then 90, and then 100, yeah. And it obviously doesn't work for some reason. Not sure why. I'm not sure why this doesn't work. So it renders and then clones. I don't see what's going wrong here. It's like, I don't know, is that pen brightness? Saturation? Oh, there we go. Ooh, wait, this will be useful. So if I say 0, it's gray, but if I say like 10 to that, oh, this could be really useful for making art. So what I could do is add a saturation value. Okay, so what I need to do is edit this block, add a label, and then saturation values. Okay. I mean, it's a kind of large block. So if I were to say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, that didn't work. For some reason my keyboard has 2 keypads, but one of them just didn't work. So weird. 80, 90, and 100. Then I need to set pen saturation to S1, and I'll just duplicate this a few times. And then, okay. So now I just need to, why did I duplicate them with S1 in? It's not very smart. I'm gonna have to get rid of all of these S1s. So I pretty much just delayed myself there. I'm not even using the S's. Okay. So that's 3, 5, 9, 10. Okay, S2, saturation 3, saturation 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And if I wanted to, I could add even more options to this. which would make it really long, but like that could be interesting. Wait a second, did this wrong. Oh no. Oh my god. Okay, I'll put the rest of these in and then say what I did wrong, because it's kind of bad. Although, oddly enough, it seems to be working. Forgot that I had the weird saturation stuff that I'm adding. It's interesting. So as you can see, the top color actually should be on the bottom, but I did it wrong, so it's displaying at the top. So to fix that, I'm just going to have to do a very boring and lengthy task of moving these above. Yep. Okay, so do this. No, not that. That. Pretty boring, but it's because it's all for science. No, I'm joking. It's for fun. I don't know. I don't really have a reason to be doing this. Okay, so that's cool. So now you can make different patterns, but the problem is it's replicated everywhere. And what if you don't want that? Well, that's why I made it be a block. And that's so that if I were to, I should have left the other thing in so I don't have to create another sprite, but let's say duplicate wall and make wall 2. And wall 2, I'll just make purple because that's the default color it has. I'll just add like a few dots around and then delete all the white parts. There we go. So this is wall 2. It's very, very beautiful. And then what I can do is say, where was that? Ray trace. If touching wall, okay, or touching wall 2. And if I get this list back and say surface, as you can see, it's 0. But then once I come up to this, 1, yeah, there's this little bit of 1 here. So what I can do is say, if else, oh yeah, one thing I do want to do is change count first so that you can detect it outside. So change count by 1 here. Let's see, so I want to say if, so I'll grab this, and I'll say equals, and change it to surface. So item count of surface equals 0. I'll have this, and then else, maybe I'll just make it be like 0, 50, 0, 50, 0, 50, 0, 50. So we'll make it be a very simple pattern. Now the one thing is for each material you do to manually put it in, and then for here I'll say, I think 0, 100, 0, 100, 0, 100, not 9, 0, 100, 0, and then that one's already 100. Let's test this out. So now when I look at a purple dot, okay, I definitely did something wrong there, but as you can see, the purple dot now has a very different texture, which is actually pretty cool. And the reason why I'm doing this is because if you were to get a bunch of different textures in a line, so if you could do that, you could then like make it so that each texture is a different segment to one image. It would have to be very pixelized, and also like it would probably be kind of glitchy. but you could definitely do it. Okay, well, this is really all I was planning to do. I was expecting it to take longer to figure out how to do this. So I'm not really sure what to do now. Maybe I can actually work on making art. Yeah, but this is really cool. How you can make this different things. So what I'll do is when you start it, you're looking up. So I might do... Okay. I'll just delete the entire map, you know? So now there's just purple circles. Just these little things around in an empty void of darkness surrounded by disintegrating rainbows. That's pretty fun. Okay, let's see. So I have this, and then wall 2, I'll get rid of these, and then, let's see. So I'll move over here, and I'll just say dot. Okay, I'll just put a dot. Let's see where that is. Can you see that? So that's like right here. And I'll duplicate wall 2 to make wall 3. Move that to the side a little. There we go. And I'll also make it like all of these different random colors. So then let's try wall 4. I'll make this one, I like a dark blue. And I'll just move it to the side. So now we have, as you can see, these 3 dots. Only one of them shows up. What I could do is add the other ones to the surface. Where is it? Where is the text? So down here, just turn this off. So I can say, or wall 3, or wall 4. And then if I just get rid of this, and this, put this here and put this here, it now detects them. And then wall 3, and then finally wall 4. 0, 1, 2, 3. There we go. So now I should see various numbers, 1s, 2s, and 3s. But they'll appear like this, which we can't allow. That's just bad. So what I'll do is I'll do the same thing I did down there. Let's get rid of this. Say if it equals 1, if it equals 2, and obviously if it equals 3. But now it all appears rainbow, which we don't want either. So I'll move this here. This is kind of large blocks. These are very large. So what I'll do is I'll just make some simple patterns. So let's say I'll just do, those don't matter. I'll say 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So as you can see, it's very blank. Oh, I forgot this last one. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So let's say we say like, for this one that would be the top, so I'll say like here, I'll say like 100. So let's see. So as you can see, there's that dot there. If we say 100 here also, once I get rid of this, so there's these dots, And then let's say in the middle, I want to say 100 here. The thing is, I'll need to find the corresponding value. So for this one, that would be this. So what color should I make that? Let me check. Good, no one's watching. That's great. If you are watching, please tell me what color I should use. So I could do 100. That's like red. Guess I'll do that. Now the thing is, these two surfaces could actually be used as the same surface. Oh wait, no. The first and last one could be used as the same surface. And then in the middle, let's say, what color should I make it? Well, that's 234 is a nice color. Also, every 100 it loops around, so this could actually be, this is actually just the same as 34, pretty much. Now you're like, wow, that's great pixel art, except all of the pixels are really long, but this is just a demonstration. So what I could do is say, I'm going to say convert. What you could do is make all of these really thin, and then you could make really complex images, which could be really cool. I'll make a video about this soon. I might just use this footage from this live stream, which is very short. And yeah. How long is it? Oh wow, it's 20 minutes? Huh. Well anyways, I'm gonna end the live stream now. That was quite interesting.